Alright, hi. Okay, welcome to this new video. This is a video about calculating acceleration. Okay, this is also like the first video that I'm using on a blackboard instead of a whiteboard. So let's see how it works. Okay, so now to calculate acceleration, I have right here this problem right here. It says a race car's forward velocity increases from 4 meters per second to 36 meters per second over a 4 seconds time interval. So what is its average acceleration? Okay, so we have to remember here what is the concept of acceleration, and the concept of acceleration is the change in time per unit. Sorry, is the change in speed per unit of time. Okay, so if we want to calculate the change in speed, or in this case the change of velocity, we have to have this formula right here. Okay, the acceleration is equal to the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by the time interval. So we'll have, what is this change in velocity? This is going to be the change in velocity per unit of time. So we're going to divide by the time interval. Okay, so the acceleration will be equal to the final velocity, that for this car is 36 meters per second, minus the initial velocity, that is 4 meters per second. This occurs during a 4 seconds time interval, so the time interval is 4 seconds. Okay, so the result for this is equal to 8 meters per square second. Okay, because it's changing 8 meters per second each second. Okay, so this is how you calculate acceleration. It's easy. You all need to have a final velocity, the initial velocity, and a time interval. In the case you have an object that it's slowing down, or that it will stop, it will have a negative acceleration. Okay, so it's normal to obtain a negative acceleration when you have any of these two cases: the case in which the object will stop, in which the final velocity would be 0, and in the case where an object is slowing down, so the final velocity will be smaller than the initial velocity, so that's also a negative acceleration. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. So I'm moving on into an art video, so I hope we can upload it tonight.